Why does backtick not appear until after I press another key? On Stack Exchange sites I quite often have to use the backtick, which can be got at usually as the key beside 1 left side. However, when I press it the first time that doesn't appear until I press it again, at which point I get 2, or if I press another key such as a space. Is there a historical reason for this, or is it just my keyboard?
This is either your keyboard or the software you are using. We can't see that from here. So it is not specific to Stack Exchange sites. This is done because the software supports another feature. Pressing the apostrophe or the backtick followed by another letter, most common a vowel, is an easy way to write diacritical characters like A and A. Because of this feature, the software cannot immediately display the apostrophe or backtick. It has to wait for the next character to determine what your intention is. Only when you press the next backtick it knows that you intended to enter a backtick. This is not bad in itself. Just remember to type the backtick twice, then press cursor left, then type what comes between them. That way you won't forget the closing backtick. This is akin to typing the brackets in the C programming language first before entering the code that goes in between. There, having a closing bracket at the correct location is much more important. This is not only done with apostrophe and backtick, but e.g. also with double quotation marks, and E gives E, and even with consonants, and C gives C.
This is called a dead key. This URL. It depends on your local settings, i.e., keyboard layout.
Other answers have mentioned that this can be a keyboard layout thing, but I felt that a concrete example might be useful, so. On Windows I generally use the English, UK, extended keyboard layout, which has better support for typing accented characters, but means I have to press backtick twice to get the character. If I switch to the basic English, UK, keyboard layout, I only have to press backtick once. So the latter keyboard is perhaps better for some uses, such as coding, even though the extended version is better for others, such as writing. If you have more than one keyboard layout installed, on Windows you can use Ctrl+Shift to switch between them.
If you added a no DAT keys variant and still get dead keyish behavior, it might be because you have multiple layouts, e.g. German and German, no DAT keys. You can cycle through them using super plus space on Linux. Maybe the key combination is different for you. See sex map, print verbose 10 the options, grp, line.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.